One, check the microphone. Hi everyone who watching this. My name is Igor, and today, for your future offers, I will interviewing. Yeah, me. This is will help in us saving the time, and you will have the opportunity to see and hear who I am as specialist and person. Da da da.
Oh my God, who the hell cares?
So, hi Igor, how are you? Thank you, fine. Okay, tell me about yourself, Igor.
I can't lie!
Yeah, why not? My work coincides with my hobby, and I really love my hobby. So, when I develop software, I give myself completely to work, energetic in solving tasks. I can motivate myself and other people by my actions. Of course, I love sharing my experience and information with my colleagues, and I always try to help others learn new things. I communicate well with different people from different departments of the company. I have my own solution or quickly find new solution to the tasks set by the business. I easily learn new things. I have extensive experience in solving different business tasks, and it's always interesting to learn new things, not only in my direction, but also in others. It's helped me in understanding business, customers, clients, and finding solutions for automating business processes. In previous companies, I built several large automated systems. I performed the following steps: idea, analysis, planning, preparation of models of business processes and data movement, and development, and launch. I have experience started the project alone and with team, and I have an understanding and ability to manage the team. I always tell the truth when communicating with other staff of the company, regardless of the position. I'm tolerant of the mistakes of others. If someone made a mistake, I will personally inform him of this and without showing others his mistake, so that he would have a chance to correct it. I communicate in several programming languages and business modeling. That's it. Igor, why did you leave your previous job?
Let me tell you something. Listen, if I wasn't involved, this go to it would burn to the You know what? Get the out of here. And don't bother coming in tomorrow because you're terminated.
Interesting question. Often I was leaving from my old job because I don't get what I expected. And the difference in the vision of developing or dressing project on the part of the management staff and and the impossibility of personal growth within the company, and the impossible motivation from boss and management staff, or almost complete information isolation of employees when internal or external difficulties began in the company. And also the impossibility inside the company to build my product with the support of management staff or bosses. I think that's it. And the next question. What are you currently doing?
Nothing. Sitting here watching the game, smoking some bud.
Now, in addition to actively searching for a best of vacancy, I'm working on some of my hobby projects. Also, in this world, every day to create a new knowledge in the direction of development of software, and my time is spent on the study of this new knowledge. These are new programming languages or new solution to development and architecture, or new solution for optimizing those systems. Also interested in new business requirements and challenges and analyze what the business now needs or what the business will need in the future. Also, I study EOD solutions and robotics and study English language. I plan time and tasks, and that's why I have no problems with the implementation time of tasks. Okay, what do you like most about your job?
Working at home.
Here's your lemonade, and here's your beer.
Of course, I like to solve different business problems and create models of new ideas and also create a finished product from models. And for me, it's like birth of a child. Understand me? I like as an engineer that I can show all my professional qualities and say a business idea or task from dying by finding a solution to the problem. I like to get new knowledge every day. This is how to open a new world. I like helping others grow up. I like when there are me people whom I can teach something and they also teach me. Okay, easy question. What are your strengths?
You're Jimmy, right? This is your house?
Sure is.
I'm Winston Wolfe. I solve problems.
Yeah, it's true. So, I'm ambitious, creative, adaptive, dedicated, professional, reliable, determined, experienced, motivated, outgoing, team player, able to solve problems, educable, quickly integrate, and I think fair one. And of course, difficult question. What are your weaknesses?
Do you have any idea the kind of shit that I had to eat just to get 4 wheels on that grid? No, you don't, because you don't deal with any of that stuff. Now knock it off, Ken. We got work to do, and this car ain't gonna build itself.
Emotional, demanding, and of course, weak English. But I am working on fixing my weaknesses. Okay, tell me about a difficult situation you have faced in your job.
What? I need an aspirin. Top desk drawer. Thank you. All right? Yes, good.
The most difficult situations happened when it became less time to start the product or it was required to fix errors in working system outside working hours. I think so. These are situations where you need to make important decisions here and now, and there is no time to evaluate different options, and you choose the fastest and the best of those that you know. I think you understand me. It's also necessary to temporarily establish a dictatorship in the team when your requirements or patterns are not discussed. And in 95% it works. But of course, in 5% I had more problems in a partially working system or lost good colleagues. Okay, where do you see yourself in 3 or 5 years from now?
What the hell is wrong
wrong with you people? Duck, I don't... Yeah, I came here for a job. A job. As far as I know, that job has nothing to do with the cocksucking motherfucking duck.
Yeah, let's go future. But I plan to become a partner in the company or be a leader in one of the direction of this company or create a separate direction within the company or get investment and to create his own company. Because I have many ideas and plans which I would like to do together with those people who are interested in creating new things and study and progress. You are an interesting person, but why should we hire you?
This is either madness or brilliance.
It's remarkable how often those two traits coincide.
So, if you need a specialist to solve difficult tasks, then this is me. If you need a specialist who understands business processes, then this is me. If you need a specialist who will build and train a team, then this is me. If you need a specialist who will pave the way for others, then this is me. If you need a specialist who will implement in time the task from customers, then this is me. If you need a specialist ready to help the company in the development and implementation of ideas, then of course this is me. If you need a specialist with creative ideas, then this is me also. And a very important question for the company: what are your salary expectations?
£100 is still £100.
Not when the price is £200, it's not. And certainly not when you've got Liberia's deficit in your skyrocket. Tighter than a duck's butt you are. Now, come on. Let me feel the fibre of your fabric.
So, only after your answer to the questions below, I can answer you how much I will cost. First, what job position in the company do you offer me? 2. Do the equals requirements of the work position with the requirements of the company for this position? Maybe the company does not correctly understand the requirements for this job position. And last question. Does the company give anything super package stuff for studying and medicine? Okay, Igor. Thanks for taking the time to meet today, and soon we will give you an answer. Thanks you too for taking the time to meet with me today. Bye, and see you.
Well, congratulations. You got yourself a job. Right on, huh?
Hey, where the seatbelts at?
Don't worry. They won't be necessary.
Thanks for watching me. If you were interested in my interview, then here you can find my contacts to send me an offer. And here you can look and analyze my technical skills. So, see you later. Bye-bye.